So welcome back, friends. As you know that no, we have to we have in the basic section. So let us dive directly into the coding thing. To start a new project, what I did, I choose a directory where I keep my Android projects, and that is this directory. Just move to the directory using your command prompt and use the command flutter create uh, flutter underscore. This is the naming convention. You have to use the underscore if you want to separate the words. So I create counter counter, and this thing flutter will create a project for you. Wait for some time as it is creating. So you can see now my project is created. So all I have to do now, I have to move that thing. I have to move in my project directory by using the command cd flutter, copy paste this and move into the project directory. Now I my project is created and I moved into my project directory. Now you can open this thing from your Android thing, but I'm using command prompt to run this thing. This is my device, so I use command flutter run to run this app on my device. So wait for the device to wait for the app to upload it on the device. So now you can see my app is getting installed on the machine. Bingo. So your first app using Flutter is installed on the device, and this is a counter app. That's why I named it counter app. So whenever you press this counter, it raises the counter by 1. We will discuss more about this thing, and we will open the same project in the Android Studio in the next lecture. Thanks for listening, friend.